Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Fun. And today we are going to learn about nutrients or components of food. All nutrients, their functions and sources. I'm Kritika and today I'm going to teach you on this topic. So, first of all, I want to tell you what are nutrients. Nutrients are the essential substances in a food that gives us energy, or it gives us many things, it gives us health. We stay healthy with the nutrients. There are some essential substances which gives nourishment to a body. So what are the components of food? There are five major nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. These are the five major nutrients. And there are some other nutrients too. They are roughage and water. They are also called fiber. Fiber is required in food, and they are known as fiber. So these two are not the major nutrients, but scientists have discovered these two nutrients too. Water is required for us, and roughage is too required for us. We will learn it in in this video. So you might have heard about these nutrients, and these nutrients are the nutrients that are found in food. Your mother might be saying that you should eat an apple, or and you should eat pulses. That all have these nutrients, and these are very important for our health. So, first we are going to learn about carbohydrates. What are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are also called energy giving food. Food rich in carbohydrates are cake, milk, sugar, corn, bread, potato, vegetables, and fruits. Carbohydrates are mostly found in sweet items. It provides us energy to do various activities. And so, carbohydrates are too called energy giving food, and carbohydrates, the food that is rich in carbohydrates, means the food that have carbohydrates in large quantity, are these: cake, milk, sugar, corn, bread, potato, vegetables, and fruits. And sugar, and I just told that carbohydrates are found in sweet items that mostly, and sugar also have carbohydrates, means all food containing sugar have carbohydrates. So I hope it might be clear to you. If you have any queries related to this topic, you can just comment me and I reply everyone's comment. So, proteins. And firstly, I want to tell you that the fun learner of my previous video of the fun learner of the day is not going to announce in the first. It is going to be announced in the last. I'm going in the question time. I will firstly announce their names. So, proteins are also called bodybuilding food. What do bodybuilding means? Have you ever seen people who go in gym? They eat proteins. They eat eggs that have proteins in large quantity. And, and proteins are called bodybuilding food, as proteins are you help to make muscles. So proteins are also called bodybuilding food. Food rich in proteins are eggs, milk, meat, vegetables, pulses, soya bean, etc. Growing children need proteins in large amount. Like us children, all of us need protein in a large quantity, especially the growing children, because proteins are very required for everyone. This makes this makes us strong. That is very required for us. It helps us to recover injuries fast and make us strong. So it might be clear to you. Just a minute. Now we are going to learn about fats. What are fats? Fats are two called energy giving food. Food rich in fats are called are milk, cheese, butter, eggs, meat, dry fruits, fish, oil, ghee, etc. Fats are required in less quantity because they aren't very good for health. Fats cause obesity. Extra fat gather in our belly and we look fat. It also makes us lazy. That is not good. Fats are to called energy giving food. Carbohydrates are also called energy giving food as they both gives us energy. Food rich in fats are these milk, cheese, butter, eggs, meat, dry fruits, fish, oil, ghee. You know, when we eat of something oily or we eat butter too much, then our mothers might say that you will get fat, you will be fat, don't eat it much, it is not good for your health. So these are fats, but it is also required for us as they give us energy. They are also a nutrient, but it's required in very less quantity. So it also makes us lazy and we look very fat. So now we are going to learn about vitamins. Seven types of vitamins. What we are going to learn about? Seven types of vitamins. So there are many vitamins and the vitamins are of seven types. There are seven types of vitamins. They are vitamin A. Vitamin A is good for eyesight and health. All fruits and vegetables, milk, fruits, dry fruits, curd, etc. are a source of vitamin A. So, vitamin A is very, very, very needed for our eyesight and it's very good for health too. Now we are going to learn about vitamin B. Vitamin B is good for growth and health. All fruits and vegetables, milk, eggs, meat, etc. are rich in vitamin B. Vitamin C. Vitamin C are all citric or sour food. What does this word citric means? Citric means sour. You might know the word sour and they all the food that you have eaten and they are sour contains vitamin C. They are very good for health. Tomatoes, orange, amla are all citric food are rich in vitamin C. So every citric food has vitamin C. So vitamin D. Vitamin D are good for our bones and health. All vegetables, fruits, meat, eggs, milk, sprouts, etc. are rich in vitamin D. Sunshine is a rich source of vitamin D. So if you might not eat these things that contains vitamin D, but if you will stand in sunshine, you will naturally get vitamin D without any food. So sunshine is a natural and a rich source of vitamin D. So vitamin A. Vitamin A are good for health and bones. All green vegetables, milk, oil, sprouts, etc. are rich in vitamin E. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is good for growth. All green vegetables, milk, fruits, etc. are rich in vitamin K. So now, see this. This is very important. Can you see these hearts? Little hearts here? This is fact time, and this is the most important part of the slide. So, milk has all nutrients, leaving vitamin C as milk isn't sour. What we learned that vitamin C are found in every sour item, but milk isn't sour. So, milk doesn't contain vitamin C, but it has all other nutrients. Every nutrient with milk has. That is why our mothers always say to drink milk because it is the healthiest thing you can have. So now we are going to learn about minerals. Four major minerals. There are many types of minerals, but there are four common minerals that are calcium. Calcium is very important for us. It makes our bones and teeth strong. Food rich in calcium are all green vegetables and fruits, dry fruits, milk, etc. So, calcium is the most important, not the most important, but it's really very important and it makes our bones and teeth strong. Food rich in calcium are these green vegetables and fruits, dry fruits, milk, etc. So now I'm showing you one word that is brittle. What do this word means? Brittle? Can you tell me what do this word means? Brittle means something broken like a biscuit. Like you break a biscuit, it's very easily broken. Just you can do this practically. Take a biscuit and break it. It really easily broken. And if you will, and the calcium, if it will be less in quantity in a diet, then our bones are also going to break like brittle, like a biscuit. It will be brittle. Our bones will get very weak and it will be quickly brittle. Means our bones will all get damaged. So calcium is very important for us. Phosphorus. Phosphorus is also same as calcium. It is also required in high quantity for us. It also have same process. Some are different, but major are same as calcium. Sodium. Sodium, it is important for us as salt is required for us and it is a nutrient in salt. Iodine. It is same as sodium, but it also consists of iodized salt. That is the sea salt. It has iodine. So I hope it might be clear to you. So, now we are going to learn about water and roughage. Some scientists have discovered water and roughage. It is not a major nutrient. Roughage helps in digestion. Water is required to stay hydrated. Salad, fruits, vegetable pulses, bean, dry fruits, etc. is also known as fiber. These are the things that are found in roughage. So now we are going to move to question time. This is the best part of the video, question time. So fun learn. This is called the fun learners time. It's fun learners time, and the fun learners of the previous video were Magical House Kids Hindi Stories YouTube channel and Gori Saloni. These both gave us example, but I want to give a message to Gori Saloni. I have also replied that please that the experiment they gave was on air occupies space, but but the question was to give an experiment on air occupies space, but give on air has weight. So it no problem. At least you gave an example, and that was completely correct. So it so I would give both of you a star stamp for your hard work. Your all the answers was correct, and your experiment was wonderful, and I really loved it. So it was my first video. That was my two responses. Might comment later, but I will reply. So here is your question and answer it in comments. We will choose five bananas of the day question. What is obesity? We read this word in facts. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Bye to all of our fun learners. Thanks for watching. Bye bye to all of our learners. Really, really thank you to watch this video full.